Okay, so I have some turkey wings. This is just for flavor. So I'm going to put this in the pot, into the hot pot. So I'm going to rinse them off. And what I'm going to do is to boil this. I'm going to put it under pressure for about 15 minutes. And that's going to make some good flavor for the greens, okay? So I'm going to just cover it like a quarter of the way with water. Because you want that flavored water is what we're looking for. We're going to put this under pressure and cook. As you can see how much I've got in there, we're going to cook this for about 15 minutes. Collard greens. I'm going to wash those with some vinegar. These are the greens. Don't want them in the sink. I know people put food in the sink right now. I just feel funny doing that. I have this bowl here. It's my salad spinner. So I'm going to put some greens in there too. Looks like a lot of greens, but by the time it cooks down, it's going to be almost nothing. Alright, so we're going to soak the greens with some vinegar in both of these containers. Soak for about 15 minutes, and do the same with this container that's in the sink. You just soak them to, I don't know, clean them, kill anything that's in there. Vinegar's good for that. You don't need much vinegar either. You're going to put about 2 tablespoons, I guess. Okay, so chicken wings have cooked. So we've got flavored liquid in there. So I'm going to put a drop of vinegar in there and a chicken bouillon cube. These cooked on manual high pressure for 15 minutes. Put a drop of vinegar, maybe about 2 tablespoons. Okay, so the bouillon cubes I use are not salty. Okay, I get them off of Amazon, so I am going to have to put salt in there. If you use like regular ones, like from Knorr, you don't need to put salt in there because they're real salty. So these are pretty big too. I'm going to put a whole one in here. Give it some nice flavor. Okay, I'm going to put some liquid smoke in there. And here's my liquid smoke. Probably about a tablespoon I put in there. A drop of salt. Isn't it about salt? It's about a teaspoon. You can always add more salt if it doesn't taste good enough, you know. And then I'm going to put some peppers in there. Some of these red chili peppers, Japones by Badia. I'm going to put some of these in there. And I'll crunch them. I'll hear some of them break because we like spicy food right now. Alright, so right now I have the fire on saute for 30 minutes it says. And I have it on saute high. So these greens were cut up already and it said triple wash, but I washed them anyway. So now I'm going to put the greens in. And you're going to put this in, you know, put it in enough to where it fills up and it's going to cook down, then you put some more in. So they all fit in here. They will all fit. It's just going to take a bit of time. It's going off over there. That's my oven singing to me. Let me know it's at temperature, so it's at 350 for my ribs. So I'm going to put the top on here, just rest it on the top and let that cook down. In about 10 minutes I'll look at it again, stir it around. It would have gone down quite a bit. Okay, as you can see, this is cooking down. If I wanted meat in this, I would have put some like a turkey leg or something in here. Like I would have boiled the turkey leg as opposed to the wings, so the meat would have fell off. But I don't want it meaty, I just want the flavour. So it's gone down quite a bit. So I'm going to put some more greens in there. And this is the remainder of the greens, guys. Cooks pretty quickly. Okay, I'll put the cover on it and let it cook down some more. Then I'm going to stir it around. So, give it another 10 minutes. I want that beeping. Okay. So after 10 minutes, it's starting to cook down, so I'm going to stir it up. So you're going to have the well-cooked greens with the new greens. I'm going to try and incorporate it all. and dig down from the bottom. Alright, so we're going to cover it again and come back in 10 minutes and stir it. Stir it some more. That bright green color is where it's not cooked that much, and the dark green is where it's, you know, it's cooked really good. It smells so good, guys. Smell delicious. Taste the liquor. Pot liquor needs some salt in it, so put some salt in it. Like another teaspoon. Mix it up. Alright, let's check the greens. Stir it around a bit. It's almost done. Taste the liquor now. And if you guys know about pot liquor, you know this is good. Alright, let it cook a little bit more. Don't want any crunchy greens in there. Okay, the greens are done, so I'm going to turn it off now. Just leave it in the pot. All the greens are a uniform color, and it tastes pretty good.